Breach of contract refers to failing to perform any term of a contract, written or oral, without a legitimate legal excuse. This may include not completing a job, not paying in full or on time, failure to deliver all the goods, substituting inferior or significantly different goods, not providing a bond when required, being late without excuse, or any act which shows the party will not complete the work. Anticipatory breach. Breach of contract is one of the most common causes of lawsuits for damages and/or court-ordered, specific performance of the contract.